Let's go. Let's get it.
Our topic for the semester was the chemistry of baking.
Cooking is about community, baking is about community. So we really focus on students developing food literacy and connecting their heritage to their health.
Being and connecting with your family will let you know that you are loved and have a huge amount of support behind you.
When I was thinking about what cookie I wanted to make, I thought about my life now and what I would like to see in my life in the future.
We showed the students how the science behind the cookies and how to bake them. And the next step was for them to then discover and bake their own cookies.
I do have a lot of people in my family who have dietary restrictions, so I wanted to help them have a cookie that they could eat and they could also enjoy treats that I could enjoy.
I decided to make a coconut chocolate cookie because of my love for the flavors.
I developed a recipe for a gluten-free white chocolate chip cookie.
Watching that progression, watching them actually do the work and put in the work to understand and see what the process looked like, to see, what happens when they fail and then still to try again, right? Just can't rely on that first iteration. You have to keep on trying. So seeing that was absolutely wonderful.
We will make money by selling cookbooks at the price of $15 per book. We estimate we will sell over 20 million copies and make $30 million. That is my pitch on why you should invest in Serve Cookies.
I'm going to ditch my company and join yours, because if I can make $30 million in a year, I'm doing something wrong, and you have all the answers for me. I'm excited. I love it. I love the strategy.
We are all proud of you, and you all did an amazing job.
A lot of you were in the kitchen with your students, doing the baking with them, for which we are very grateful. This would not have been possible without all of you.